Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel and watching my face for the very first time, hi, my name is Urvi and I usually make fashion and DIY videos. Today's video is very special. I'm uploading this video on my birthday and this is something that I really wanted to do on my birthday, and if not on my birthday, at least during my birthday month. तो birthday month में या birthday के time, birthday वाले दिन या somewhere around my birthday, I really wanted to do something that I have done in this video. I have been planning to go and visit an orphanage and donate something, and I've been planning to do this for a while now. मतलब बहुत time से I've been planning to do something and I had no idea what to do. Like, people usually donate some money or they give some clothes or books or something. I had no idea what should I do. I've seen people go and celebrate their birthdays in the orphanage, like अपना या फिर अपने किसी बच्चे का birthday. So what they do is they go to the orphanage, they cut the cake and then distribute it among the kids. So I really wanted to do something so that मैं अगर जा रही हूँ तो I should do something and not just go and donate करा और ऑफिस में मिल के आ गए और बच्चों ने केक काटा और उनको केक दे दिया. But if you involve kids in something, do some activity. So I just don't wanted to just go and give the food or the sweets or something to the kids and come back and have my own life here. So मुझे कुछ ऐसा करना जिसमें the kids are also involved, I am also involved, and it has to be really fun. मतलब उनको वो दिन ऐसा होना चाहिए उनके लिए भी कि उनको वो दिन याद रहे. They want to have that experience again. तो मुझे कुछ ऐसा बहुत fun activity चाहिए थी. So I really wanted to do something really fun and मुझे birthday के आसपास ही करना था ये. I've been planning this for I guess 2-3 years. I wanted to do since 2019. उसमें नहीं हो पाया. Then 2020 the COVID and everything happened. Somehow this could not happen. And this year I really decided कि इस साल तो मैं कुछ ना कुछ करूँगी. And I was researching on the internet, so there were articles about how you can go and do some activity. You can educate the kids. You can have fun with the kids. Have a really fun time with the kids. So I thought of teaching them as well as having fun. तो ये फन और सिखाना दोनों एक चीज़ में करना था मुझे, एंड उसके लिए आई थॉट अब मेरा तो फोटे ही है DIY. So I wanted to have a fun DIY workshop with the kids. इससे they will learn also something and it will not be a waste of time. मतलब वो learn भी कर रहे होंगे, उनको मज़ा भी आ रहा होगा, and it will be a fun day. मेरे लिए ये workshop host करना was a big thing. मतलब आइडिया तो आ गया था दिमाग में, बट आई वॉज पॉइंट ब्लैंक. आई हैड नो आइडिया वॉट आई एम गोइंग टू डू. आई हैड नो आइडिया कि मैं कैसे कंडक्ट करने वाली हूँ. I have never done anything like this. I was in Delhi for some days and उस दिल्ली ट्रिप के पहले ही मैंने कुछ NGOs में जो मुझे ऑनलाइन मुझे समझ में आया कि आई शुड बी आस्किंग देम, जिनके मुझे लिंक ऑनलाइन मिल गए थे, मैंने उन लोगों को मेल भेजा. आई गॉट रिवर्ट फ्रॉम 3 of them. वन हैड किड्स जो बहुत छोटे थे, तो कोई मतलब दे कुड नॉट बी इन्वॉल्व. द नेक्स्ट प्लेस वॉज दिस होप फाउंडेशन. तो व्हेन आई गॉट अ मेल फ्रॉम देम आई वाज सो हैप्पी कि फाइनली समबडी रिप्लाइड. एंड मतलब आई हैड ज़ीरो होप क्योंकि मैं काफ़ी लेट भी हो चुकी थी मेल करने में. I got a mail from them and we decided to do a fun workshop. So they actually have a school. बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं जो जिनके पेरेंट्स अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते उनकी एजुकेशन. बहुत सारी लड़कियां होती हैं जिनके पेरेंट्स ये सोचते हैं कि वी शुड इन्वेस्ट इन आवर चाइल्ड, हम अपने लड़के की एजुकेशन में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं बिकॉज दे थिंक दे हैव अ फ्यूचर, they'll पे फॉर देम, एंड लड़की की तो शादी हो जाएगी, दूसरे घर चली जाएगी. तो दीज ऑल कॉन्सेप्ट, एंड इसकी वजह से बहुत सारे बच्चे बहुत एज तक पढ़ाई नहीं कर पाते हैं. बहुत यंग एज से बच्चे पेरेंट्स अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते हैं. मतलब यहाँ पर वो सारे बच्चे आते हैं एंड द एजुकेशन इज़ सो गुड. मतलब वो हर बच्चे को इक्वली ट्रीट करते हैं. दे गिव एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस टू द किड्स. मतलब अगर आपका बच्चा वीक है, एज इन बहुत टाइम तक एजुकेशन नहीं मिली है, उसकी एज ज़्यादा हो गई है, उसको एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस दे करके उस लेवल पे पहुंचाते हैं, उसके लेवल पे. दे ऑल्सो गिव लंच टू द किड्स. or we also had lunch there. They also have computer room, they have library, they have so many books जो बच्चों को यूज में आती है. तो if kids can't afford books, they can use the books that are available in the school. So they have given all kind of facility to the kids, and it was amazing. मतलब the kind of effort the people are doing, the kind of commitment they have to the place, the kind of love they give to the kids is amazing. मतलब I felt so good being there. I can't describe in words. So that was my experience with the Hope Foundation and everything. And now comes the fun part. So let's come to the workshop thing. So what I planned and how I executed. So the original idea was to have a fun thing with the kids. यहाँ पे क्लास 7 तक के बच्चे हैं और हम ये वर्कशॉप क्लास 6 के बच्चों के साथ करेंगे, and whosoever is interested from class 7. So the class 6 students still have 1 more year, तो वो और लोगों को ये चीज़ें सिखा सकते हैं. That was a great idea, I thought, and I guess class 6 had 20 students, and whosoever was interested from class 7, they were also joining the class. So my idea was to teach them hand painting denims. So I have actually seen a lot of hand painted denims, bleached denims. ये इस टाइप के डेनिम्स आजकल बहुत ट्रेंड में हैं. If you see on Pinterest, you can find n number of options. So I thought I should teach them this because these are really expensive denims, and if they can learn something like this, they can use it on their denim. एक आप हैंड पेंटिंग सीख रहे हो, प्लस इट्स फन डूइंग हैंड पेंटिंग, एंड आई फील लड़कियां बहुत इन्वॉल्व होती हैं पेंटिंग एंड स्टफ में. तो ये एक स्किल सेट भी लर्न कर रहे थे बच्चे हैंड पेंटिंग का ऑन फैब्रिक्स. ये आई गेस ये सिखाया ही नहीं जाता है स्कूल में. ये मुझे भी कभी स्कूल में नहीं सिखाया गया हैंड पेंटिंग ऑन फैब्रिक. और इट्स अ स्किल सेट. मतलब आप पेंटिंग करते हो, पेंटिंग सिखाते हैं, बट हैंड पेंटिंग ऑन फैब्रिक्स, इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल आर्ट. So me being very nervous, I left my place around 9:30ish and I reached around 11, and I had a set of I guess 7 denims, and one of the teacher gave another denim. So I in total had 8 denims. So 8 denim थी और मैंने 3-3 बच्चों का ग्रुप डिवाइड कर दिया था. तो जब आप ग्रुप में कोई काम करो तो क्रिएटिविटी के अलग अलग आइडियाज़ आते हैं, फिर उनको ब्लेंड करना, बॉन्डिंग एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है. तो ये सब चीज़ें बहुत फन होती हैं जब आप ग्रुप में प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे होते हो. सो आई हैड टोटल 8 डेनिम्स. आई गॉट अ फ्यू सेट्स ऑफ पेंट कलर्स, फैब्रिक पेंट कलर्स, एंड अ बॉटल ऑफ ब्लीच. सो ये मेरे पास था. एंड वी ऑल्सो गॉट अ सेट ऑफ पेंट ब्रशेस. आई ऑल्सो हैड अ फ्रेंड विद मी, थैंक गॉड ही वॉज देयर, क्योंकि काफ़ी हेल्प हो गई. और ही गॉट मी द पेंट ब्रशेस. तो हमने सबको पेंट ब्रश दे दिया और 3 बच्चों का ग्रुप बना दिया एंड सबको एक डेनिम दे दी. एंड आई शोड देम फ्यू आइडियाज़ कि हाउ टू गो अबाउट. तो दे हैड नो आइडिया कि उनको कैसे स्टार्ट करना है, कब स्टार्ट करना है, क्या उसमें कर सकते हैं वो. आई शोड देम फ्यू इमेजेस, जस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल में शो नहीं करा, बिकॉज देन दे ट्राई टू कॉपी द थिंग. आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू शो देम कि आइडिया हो जाए क्या कर सकते हैं, उसके बाद जस्ट गो वाइल्ड अबाउट इट. दैट वॉज माई प्लान. And they actually went wild. They actually went very wild. They were doing absolutely everything on the denim. Some side they made spring and autumn. They were divided the denim on spring and autumn wise. Some made a very horror or danger kind of a thing with the bleach. Some played with the bleach. Some played with paint colors. I mean, it was fun. I can't explain you how much fun I had that day, and I thought I won't be able to do it. And that day it just went like this. I mean, you won't be able to believe, the kids were so interested in doing this. They wanted more time. They want another session, and that was the best part. The kids said, "Ma'am, aap dobara kab aa rahe ho?" I can't explain in words how I felt. It gave me so much peace and happiness. I can't explain this. Working with the kids and how they were involved and so damn interested. मतलब एक बच्ची थी, she was not even going for her lunch. And they did such intricate work. I could never imagine doing this. And everything was beautiful. Everything went very smooth except the kids. I mean, the mess they created, but it was a very peaceful mess. They had bleach flowing here and there. They had paint colors on their uniform, and I was like, आज तुम लोगों को बहुत डांट पड़ने वाली है घर पे. But it was so amazing. The kids were so interested in learning something new, and they didn't even care about anything else. They just wanted to learn something new. They had no idea what was going to happen, and they had so much fun doing this. And the best part was when they said they want another workshop, and I was so happy when I heard that. The teachers there were so involved. They were also helping us and the kids. The art has no limitation. The work has no, sky is the limit. So they literally brought down the sky on their denims, and it was crazy. It was fun, and most importantly, the kids had fun. I had fun. I went out of my comfort zone. I was interacting with the kids. I was talking to them. I was working with them. I was giving them new ideas. I was having fun. So this was my day, and I had the best day so far. So guys, that's it for today's video. I mean, that's how my day went, and I could not imagine it any other way. This was the best day so far. And I did not make this video to show off this. This is just an encouragement. This is just a way of encouragement of how you can also do something like this. Not just donating, but also involving the kids with something fun, that they can also learn something. They can also, so that you can also teach them something. They can learn a lot. I don't know how to say this, but yes, that was the most amazing day. And really like the support I got from the Hope Foundation and the people over there. They were so kind and generous to welcome me and have let me host this workshop with the kids, and I can't thank them enough for giving me this opportunity. So guys, please check out the Hope Foundation. I'll give the link in the description. They're doing a great job, and if you can do some donation or help them in any other way out, please go ahead and do that. They're really nice and kind people, and they're doing a great job out there, and my heart goes out for them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like this video. So if you guys like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon, and until next time, bye.